Microexpressions, just like communication, are essential to human interaction. We use words to express our thoughts and feelings, but our bodies also speak volumes. Nonverbal communication, including facial expressions, gestures, and posture, reveals a wealth of information. It can confirm or contradict our spoken words. By understanding nonverbal cues, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Microexpressions are fleeting facial expressions that reveal our true emotions. They occur involuntarily and last for a fraction of a second, making them difficult to detect. Unlike our conscious facial expressions, which we can control and manipulate, microexpressions are automatic and genuine. Regular facial expressions, the ones we use in everyday communication, are longer in duration and easier to perceive. We use them to convey our emotions to others, often consciously. For example, a smile typically lasts for a few seconds, signaling happiness or amusement. Microexpressions, on the other hand, are like flashes of lightning. They appear and disappear quickly, often masked by our conscious expressions. They occur when we try to suppress or conceal our true emotions. For instance, a fleeting expression of disgust might flicker across a person's face before they mask it with a polite smile. These subtle expressions provide valuable insights into a person's underlying feelings. They offer clues about their true thoughts and intentions, even if they try to hide them. By learning to recognize these fleeting expressions, we gain a deeper understanding of human behavior. Dr. Paul Ekman, a renowned psychologist, has dedicated decades to studying facial expressions and emotions. His groundbreaking research has revolutionized our understanding of nonverbal communication, particularly in the field of microexpressions.
My work has established that microexpressions are universal. Regardless of culture, upbringing, or personal experiences, people express emotions in the same way. This universality suggests that microexpressions are hardwired into our biology, reflecting our shared evolutionary heritage.
Through meticulous observation and analysis, Dr. Ekman identified 7 basic emotions: anger, contempt, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Each emotion is associated with specific facial muscle movements, which manifest as microexpressions. His research has had a profound impact on various fields, including law enforcement, psychology, and security. By understanding the science behind microexpressions, professionals and others can better detect deception, assess credibility, and build rapport. Microexpressions and deception detection. Microexpressions play a crucial role in detecting deception. When people lie, they often try to control their facial expressions to maintain a facade of honesty. However, their true emotions may leak out in the form of microexpressions. For example, a person who claims to be innocent of a crime might display a fleeting expression of fear or guilt when questioned about specific details. Similarly, someone who is lying about their feelings might betray their true emotions through a microexpression of sadness or anger. While microexpressions alone cannot definitively prove deception, they serve as valuable indicators of potential incongruence between a person's words and their true feelings. Trained professionals, such as law enforcement officers and interrogators, use microexpression analysis as one tool among many to assess credibility and detect deception. It's important to note that microexpression analysis is not foolproof. Context, cultural factors, and individual differences can influence the interpretation of these subtle cues. However, understanding the role of microexpressions in deception detection provides valuable insights into the complexities of human behavior. Spotting microexpressions, a practical guide. Spotting microexpressions requires keen observation skills and attention to detail. These fleeting expressions often last for less than half a second, making them easy to miss. Here are some practical tips to enhance your ability to detect microexpressions. Pay attention to the eyebrows. The eyebrows are highly expressive and often reveal subtle cues of emotion. For example, a furrowed brow might indicate anger or concern, while raised eyebrows can signal surprise or fear. Focus on the eyes. The eyes are said to be the windows to the soul, and for good reason. Pay attention to changes in pupil size, blinking rate, and gaze direction. Dilated pupils can indicate interest or arousal, while rapid blinking might suggest anxiety or stress. Observe the mouth. The mouth can convey a wide range of emotions, from happiness and amusement to sadness and disgust. Look for subtle movements, such as lip pressing, lip pursing, or a slight sneer, which can reveal hidden feelings. Consider the context. Micro-expressions should always be interpreted in context. Consider the situation, the person's baseline behavior, and other nonverbal cues to gain a more accurate understanding of their true emotions. Enhancing emotional intelligence through micro-expressions. Understanding micro-expressions can significantly enhance our emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence refers to our ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others.
By becoming more attuned to micro-expressions, we develop greater empathy and sensitivity towards others. We learn to recognize subtle cues that reveal their true feelings, allowing us to respond with greater understanding and compassion. Moreover, micro-expression awareness enhances our communication skills. It enables us to detect incongruence between a person's words and their nonverbal behavior, providing valuable insights into their true thoughts and intentions. This knowledge empowers us to navigate interpersonal interactions with greater clarity and authenticity. By developing our ability to read micro-expressions, we unlock a deeper level of understanding in our relationships, both personal and professional. We become more attuned to the nuances of human emotion, fostering greater empathy, connection, and effective communication.
In this final chapter, we will review the key points discussed in the video. We explored the fascinating world of nonverbal communication, delved into the fleeting glimpses of true emotions through micro-expressions, and examined Dr. Ekman's groundbreaking research. We also learned about the role of micro-expressions in deception detection and provided a practical guide to recognizing them. Finally, we discussed how enhancing emotional intelligence through micro-expressions can improve our interpersonal relationships. As we conclude, remember that mastery of micro-expressions is a journey. Each interaction is an opportunity to practice, learn, and grow. The more you observe, the more attuned you'll become to the subtle language of emotions. Keep practicing and learning to unlock the hidden power of micro-expressions. With dedication and persistence, you can transform your understanding of human emotions, fostering deeper connections and more authentic interactions in both your personal and professional life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of nonverbal communication. Subscribe to Turtles Get There Too!